Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make pickled red beets. Start by choosing vibrant, firm red beets. Give them a good wash, then trim the tops and tails. Next, you'll want to cook them until they're tender. You can boil them in water for about 20 to 30 minutes or steam them for 15 to 20 minutes. This step makes peeling much easier and ensures your pickled beets have a delightful texture. Once your beets are cooked, let them cool down just enough so you can handle them comfortably. The skins should then rub right off with minimal effort. After peeling, slice your beautiful red beets into uniform pieces. Aim for about 1/4 inch thick rounds or wedges, ensuring they'll absorb the pickling liquid evenly. Now let's create that delicious pickling brine. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of water, 2 cups of white vinegar, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. For extra flavor, add a few whole cloves, a pinch of allspice, and a bay leaf. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. With your beets sliced and brine ready, it's time to fill your jars. Pack the sliced beets snugly into clean, sterilized canning jars. Carefully pour the hot pickling brine over the beets, making sure to leave about 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. Secure the lids and rings, then process them in a boiling water bath for 30 minutes for safe, long-term storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.